Today we are talking about principles of cardiology, of cardiac territories. Very brief introduction on the conduction pathway. The main artery that we know is the left coronary artery and the right coronary artery. It's the concepts are really interesting, important to kind of know and understand. When we talk about blood pressure, we talk about systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. So cardiac action potential. Normal ECG. Now we are talking about systems here. Angiotensin aldosterone system is a hormone that regulates your blood pressure and your water fluid balance. Heart sounds. This is murmurs. Now we primary and your secondary hypertension. Hypertensive crisis, atherosclerosis. The Hockenberg atherosclerosis is also called as a medial calcific sclerosis. Ischemic heart disease here, but you guys probably know what happens in angina, in unstable angina and in stable angina and unstable angina and myocardial infarction. So arrhythmias again is a complete different kettle of fish, though it is very important to know about what happens in arrhythmias and how to treat them, and what kind of drugs and antiarrhythmic drugs can play a role in these ones.